My alarm goes off at 6 o'clock. If an alarm goes off, it makes a sudden, loud noise. I usually wake up early. I turn off the alarm. I get out of bed and do some stretches. I open the curtains and look out of the window. I open the bedroom window. I make the bed. I put the toothpaste on my toothbrush. I brush my teeth in front of the mirror. I rinse my mouth with water. Rinse means to wash something with water only, not using soap. I use cleanser on my face. Cleanser refers to a liquid or cream for cleaning your face.
I splash cold water on my face. I wipe my face with a facecloth. I have a hot shower. Have a shower is British English. Take a shower is more common in American English.
I rub my hair dry with a towel. I dry my hair with a hairdryer.
I comb my hair. I shave off my moustache and beard with a razor.
I apply moisturiser after bathing. I wear contact lenses. We can also say, put in contact lenses.
I put gel on my hair.
I put on my makeup. I spray myself with perfume. Perfume refers to a liquid with a nice smell.
I drink a glass of water on an empty stomach. On an empty stomach means without eating anything.
I meditate for half an hour every day. Meditate means to focus your mind in order to make your mind calm. I water the plants on the balcony. I feed my dog on canned food.
I usually get dressed before having breakfast.
I make myself a cup of coffee. I always have a cooked breakfast. A cooked breakfast refers to a breakfast that includes cooked foods like eggs and meat. I turned on my smartphone to check my messages. I watch the news on my tablet. I put on a pair of socks. I put on my shoes.
I lace up my shoes. Lace up means to fasten something by tying a lace.
I leave home at 8 every day.
That's all for today. If you want to further expand your vocabulary, check out our other vocabulary videos.
If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.